have a bed that was part of our nature center, and it had a lot of knockout roses, and they were dying. So we worked with our landscaper HLS and our HOA and asked them to see if we can basically put in all native plants, and they said okay, which I'm very happy about. And you can see we have replaced it with purple lovegrass. This is the happiest purple lovegrass you can find. It looks very pretty, dreamy. And here we have obedient plant that already bloomed because I think it gets a lot of sun here. In the background we have goldenrod, that is the fireworks cultivar. It has a really nice structure. And as shrubs we have the low growth sumac. You can see how it's spreading and covering the area there. And this area gets a lot of sun, and this has not been watered. Here we have another magnolia. Why do I remember magnolia? Here we have magnolia tree, and there will be 3 more installed in this area. And it looks pretty happy. This garden is about 2 years old. It was installed 2 falls ago, and the rest of the plants were installed last spring. Not this last spring, 2 years ago, spring. So they're doing pretty well. And actually we didn't talk about this one. Yeah, this is Penstemon, and Penstemon is another plant that is actually evergreen during the winter. This base here will stay green, and in the springtime it will have these stems, and it will bloom early. And sometimes we cut them, sometimes we just let them be because I think the birds probably eat the seeds. But like here you can see this is the same plant. So these are the blooms. Wow, this is growing. Here's another good looking little blue stem. I think the color is a very good complement to other colors that is around it.
There's some tall blue stem in the
yeah.
there.
Wow. I guess the bloom of obedient plant. Obviously it was all blooming, and now it just got few on there. So this whole area where you see as mulch right now is going to be planted with similar plants to complete the installation. That's it.